Hello, my dear students. I am Ashwarya Singh. In front of you, I am here to teach you Chapter 7 of Class 4, that is more logo commands. But before starting our chapter, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. So, we all have studied about MSW logo, means Microsoft Word logo. MSW logo is a version of logo used with MS Windows. Children, we all know that we uses a turtle to do all the tasks. The turtle looks like a little triangle in the middle of the screen. It has two parts, head and tail. So children, the head of the turtle shows us in which direction it is facing. When the turtle moves, a line is drawn behind it. I hope you all have understand about the turtle logo. But the main question is how to start a MSW logo. Starting MSW logo. To start MSW logo, we have to follow some steps. So firstly, we will study the steps of Windows XP. In Windows XP, we have to firstly go on Start button, then click on Programs, then click on Microsoft Windows logo, and at last childrens we have to click on Microsoft Windows logo option so that we will enter in the logo word. Okay, and in Windows 7 how we have to start? Firstly, we have to click on Start button, then select all programs, then click on Microsoft Windows logo, and then click on Microsoft Windows logo option. Okay everyone, good. Now, parts of a logo window. When MSW logo windows open, that window is divided into two parts. That is, first is main screen window and second is commander window. Main screen window, this window is also called the drawing area or the graphics area. Children, the small triangular shape on the screen is called turtle. Turtle accepts the instructions and executes accordingly. Okay everyone, but it is important to know that when we open the MSW logo, we see that the turtle is in the center of graphic screen. This is called home position of the turtle. I hope you all have understand. See in the picture, main screen, we have seen a turtle is there, menu bar, title bar, the main screen and the scroll bar. Okay, now second part is commander window. The commander window is located below the main screen window. The commander window has three parts. So children, first part is input box. This is the area in logo where the command is typed and executed by pressing the enter key. The commands in logo are known as primitives. Okay everyone. Now, second is recall list box. This gray area above the input box is called as recall list box. This box displays the lists of commands that have been executed. And the last one is command button or control button. We have also called this control button. On the right hand side of the commander window, there are 8 control buttons. These buttons help us to perform various functions. So I hope children you all have understand the parts of the logo window. Now, logo primitives. Children, commands in logo are known as logo primitives. Some of the basic commands we have already learned in previous classes are as follows. First one is forward. Forward, it helps to move forward direction. Okay, as we see in the example, first turtle is in home direction and then new position when we do FD 60, forward 60. Backward, it helps to move turtle backward. Right, it helps to move turtle in the right direction, as turtle is in straight direction and it turns right 90 degree. Okay, and same as in left. In left, if the turtle is in original position. If we do LT 90, then it turns left 90. Okay. Now next one is clear screen. It clears the graphics of screen and set the turtle to its home position. Whatever we have drawn before, it clears all the things and turtle going back their home position. Okay. Now home is used to bring the turtle back to the starting position. Means if we have drawn something and we want to turtle go to at their starting position, so we press right home. Okay. Now hide turtle. HT, it is used to make the turtle disappear from the screen. Turtle will disappear. Okay. And show turtle, it will show the disappeared turtle again. Okay. Now last one is clear text. If we want to remove all the text from the recall list box, then we will do CT, means clear text. So these are some logo primitives, but now in this class we have also to study more logo primitives. So first one is pen up primitive. Pen up primitive is used to lift up the pen of the turtle. This lets the turtle move ahead with the specified number of steps without drawing a line. Students, this command is very useful when we want to leave gaps or spaces while drawing, and its short form is PU. Okay. Now the pen down primitive. Pen down primitive is used to put down the pen of the turtle. This lets the turtle trace the path as it moves. The short form of pen down is PD. I hope you all understand. I have also given the example in the picture. Okay, good. Now next one is pen erase primitive. The pen erase command is used to set the pen of the turtle on erase mode. Now the turtle eraser erases only when the turtle is ordered to move. And children, the short form of pen erase is PE. Okay, as we seen in the example, that when pen erase mode is set and we give instruction to turtle for backward 40, the turtle moves back 40 and erase the line. Okay. Now next primitive is set pen color primitive. There are three primary colors, red, green and blue, means RGB. Other colors are formed by the combination of these three colors. Children, the set pen color command is used to set the color of the pen of the turtle. The short form of set pen color is set PC, SET-PC. Okay. Children, this helps to draw colored lines. If you want to draw colored lines, then this primitive is very helpful. Now there are some color codes are given there. For black we will write 0, for blue we will write 1, for green 2, cyan 3, red 4, magenta 5, and all these 15 code are given there. Okay everyone. Now our next primitive is repeat primitive. For example, we will draw a square. To draw a square, we write the primitives FT50, RT90, FT50, RT90, FT50, RT90, FT50. So it is very long process, and also FT50, RT90 is continuously repeating. So here two of the primitives FT50 and RT90 are repeated 4 times each. Children, to remove the repetition of commands, the repeat primitive can be used. Using the repeat command, we can turn this into a one line command, such as repeat 4 in bracket FT50 RT90. So it's now easy now. We have to only write repeat how many times? 4 times. So we write repeat 4 FT50 RT90. And repeat primitive allows us to repeat a set of different commands several times without tapping them again and again. We can create complex drawings using a single line command. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understand. Now we will see that some examples of repeat command. Repeat command. First shape is triangle 3. Number of sides 3 I have given. Units 120. But how? Now I will tell you. The use of repeat command reduces the number of commands to be written in order to draw a figure. Children, it is very useful for drawing geometrical shapes. Okay? In the case of geometrical shapes, all that is required to know how much to turn the turtle. That is the input to be given with LT or RT. Okay? Using the repeat command, different polygons can be made. But children, the angle to turn the turtle is very important for creating polygons. This angle depends on the number of sides of polygons. So to determine the angle to be turned, children, we have to simply divide 360 by the number of sides. Let's see in the first example. Here triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. So we have to divide 360 by 3. Then we get 120 units. Okay. So how many times we have to repeat? Repeat 3. In bracket FT 50, RT 120. Okay. Because 120 units we got after dividing. Now same in square. Square have 4 sides. So 360 divided by 4 equal to 90 units. Now repeat how many times? 4 times. FD 50, RT 90. Okay, good. Now next one is pentagon. Pentagon have 5 sides. So we divide 360 by 5, that is 72 units. Repeat 5, FD 50, RT 72 in bracket. I hope you all have understand. And in same, hexagon has 6 sides, septagon has 7 sides, octagon has 8 sides. Now if we use this repeat command, we can draw all these shapes in very easy manner. Okay. Now how to draw a circle? To draw a circle, we can also use repeat command, because for drawing a circle normally it is very hectic for us to draw. To draw a circle, firstly turtle have to move forward by 1 step, and then again it have to turn 1 step towards the right, and this process will continues up to 360 times. For shortening this time period, we will use repeat command. So here primitive is repeat 360 in bracket FT1 RT1. So see in the picture, we will draw a circle like this after using this primitive. Okay everyone, I hope you have understand. Now children, let's see some full forms. Full form of PO is pen up. Full form of BK is backward. RT rightward. RT right. Full form of ST show turtle. Full form of FT forward, and LT left. I hope you all have understand this chapter very well. Thank you everyone, and if you like my video, please like and share it. Bye bye.